What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I paint my clients' baseboards. Usually we roll the walls before painting baseboards, but today our client only wants their baseboards done. This is a great way to spruce up your baseboards without painting your walls. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean the baseboards and the area around the baseboards. In my case, the baseboards weren't that bad, so there was no need for soap and water or any rags, just a simple dust of the top and cleaning the floor area for prep. Once you're done cleaning the floors, then you're going to want to prep them. This will help your paint job move a lot smoother and with less cleanup in the end. When we're looking to prep with paper, then the 3M masking machine is definitely the way to go. It gives you a good foot of area away from the baseboards for accidents and spills. The last thing we want to do is get paint on a client's carpet, tile, or hardwood floors. If you want a quick, clean, and efficient paint job, then prepping the right way is key. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to pick one up. Once you're done prepping the baseboards, you want to caulk. Look for any nail holes, nicks or scratches, and fill that. Wait a few hours after caulking before painting. When painting baseboards and trim for our clients, we usually go with the Bare Premium Plus Semi-Gloss. This is a great trim paint. It offers great coverage, protection at a great price. Sherwin-Williams Pro Classic is another great performing trim paint as well. If you're looking for the best trim paint money can buy, then look for high gloss enamel paint or alkaloid trim paint. The brush I'm using is a 2.5 inch brush, medium bristle, for walls and trim. It's up to you, whatever feels comfortable in your hand, so use what you feel comfortable with. Lay the brush flat against the baseboards and give it a few smooth strokes. This allows you to smooth out the paint and catch any runs. Keep the brush wet or else you'll end up pulling the paint too thin. And don't keep it too wet or this will cause runs. If you have a fan nearby, turn it on to help the baseboards dry quicker. Once your paint is dried, lightly cut the paper away from the baseboards and pull it up. If you skip this step, you'll end up pulling paper and paint away from the baseboards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel grow.